Hi everyone, very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. So, how are you all? I hope that you people are pretty fine and doing very well. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you a lot of beautiful ideas of bridal hairdos, or you can say mother of the bride hairdos. These hairstyles are very attractive and stylish look. I hope you will enjoy these ideas, so don't skip the video, watch till the end. If you like these ideas, then hit the like button, and if you want to see much more ideas related to any design and you are new at my channel, then visit on my channel once. There I have shared a lots of ideas related to any design like nail art designs, much more hairdos and hairstyles, mother of the bride dresses, plus size dresses, and much more ideas, bodycon, leather dresses, and also pencil skirts and different types of skirts I have shared in videos on my channel. For back-to-back videos, you can search them in my playlist with the design name. Hope so you will enjoy those ideas as well. Today's video is related to mother of the bride hairstyle, and also you can say these hairstyles are for bridals. If you like these hairstyles, then hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe my channel, and also hit the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming new videos. And also tell me about today's video in the comment section. If you have any kind of demand related to any idea, write your demand in the comment section. I'll make a video on your demand as soon as possible I can. So friends, today's video is related to different hairstyles. In this video I have shared messy hairs, buns, and different braids hairstyles. Hope so you enjoyed. Now let me say to take care of yourself. Bye bye.